Hello, everyone. Welcome to Vizion Tools, your trusted resource for learning Odoo in a straightforward way. Today, we are exploring the Odoo Accounting Module, a powerful and easy-to-use ERP accounting solution designed for beginners. Let's get started and see how its features work together. Upon entering the Odoo dashboard for accounting, we can see the main categories like sales, purchases, bank tax returns, and salaries. This dashboard acts as our command center for all financial activities, giving us clear summaries and balances at a glance. Now, let's go through how to create a customer invoice. We go to the Customers section, click on Invoice, and then create a new invoice. We start by entering the customer's name, selecting the customer, and adding the product line items. For example, we add a customizable desk to the invoice with a quantity of 1. After adding all items, we check the details and post the invoice. Now the invoice is officially recorded and its status changes from draft to posted. Next, let's mark the invoice as paid. We click Register Payment, select the Pay option, choose the payment method, and confirm the payment. Then go to the Payments section and validate. Once the payment is validated, the invoice status shows Paid. The payment status is now Paid. Now, let's record an expense or purchase. We go to the Windows section, select Bills, and create a new bill. We add the products or services purchased, specify the quantity, and include any taxes. Click on the vendor's name. For example, we select Furniture Window. We enter the bill reference number. Now we add a product. Suppose we bought 29 units of a simple pen and then click on Confirm. We reset this to draft. We enter the price per item. For example, $10 or $10 per pen. Once we click Confirm, it's ready to post. Odoo keeps the process consistent, making accounting easier for everyone. Now, let's make a payment for this bill. Create the payment, and once it's created, validate it. Let's validate the payment. After creating the payment, it's marked as paid. Now, we return to the bill. Let's manage our bank and cash. We return to the accounting dashboard and click on Bank General. Here, we see transactions and can reconcile them. We can also upload bank statements manually or connect our bank account directly to Odoo. Odoo will match payments with invoices automatically, making reconciliation fast and easy. It's like having a smart assistant to balance the books. Now, let's click on the transactions. We can see the current balance and all transactions from the bank. We can create a new transaction here. For example, for a water bill, we set the payment to €100 and add it. Close it. Now, we can mark this as receivable and the amount will increase automatically. If we want to see where all transactions are stored, go to Configuration and then to the Chart of Accounts. This is the list of every account category, like assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Creating or editing accounts to match our business is simple. Now, let's look at the reports. To see insights, we go to Reporting, and then Profit and Loss. Here, we can see income and expenses for any time period. The balance sheet gives a full view of the company's financial growth, and the data updates in real time. For more details, Odoo creates general entries for every transaction. We just go to Accounting and click on General Entries. This gives us full transparency, with every debit and credit tracked. The payments made in this video are also recorded here, including the $100 payment. Under Configuration, we find options for taxes, currencies, payment terms, and fiscal positions. These let us customize accounting for our business or country. Let's take a few minutes to check these settings. Setting things up now saves time later. Here, we can set sales tax, purchase tax, reminders, currency, and more. Let's see the overview by heading back to the accounting dashboard. We can now view updated balances, recent invoices, and reports in real time. All the data is shown graphically. And that's it. We've just covered Odoo Accounting, from invoicing to payments and reports, all in one simple flow. Thank you for joining us. At Vizion Tools, we empower businesses with simplicity and clarity. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing you in our next video.